Hello everyone, welcome to After Fantasy. My name is Connor, and today we're going to be learning how to make a Caesar Cipher. A Caesar Cipher is an encryption method that takes any string of text and shifts each character a specified amount up or down the alphabet. So imagine that each letter is associated with a numerical value. A is 0, B is 1, all the way up to Z, which is 25. So all a Caesar Cipher method does is add or subtract from that value to make it a new character. If you have the text A and you want to shift it by 1, 2, 3, 4 characters, the value for A is now 0 plus 4, which means that A is now equal to E. For example, take the word cab and shift each letter by 2 characters. You can now see that C is now equal to E, A is now equal to C, and B is now equal to D, thus meaning that the new word is ECD. First, we need to start by writing import string because we are going to use it later on to create our alphabet. To create our alphabet, we write alphabet is equal to list parentheses string dot ASCII underscore lowercase parentheses. What this method does is it gives us the lowercase version of the alphabet in an easy to use list. Then we need to create an empty string in which we're going to put our encrypted text in. Next, we make an input method that allows us to gain a string from whoever is running this code in the future. Now we need to use the .lower method so that way the inputted text can work with our lowercase alphabet. After that, we need to ask the amounts that the person wants to shift the string by, and then we convert whatever input we get into an int value. Writing a for loop allows us to iterate through every single character in the string. In order to account for multi-word inputs, we should create an if statement that looks to see if the character is a space, and if it is, all we need to do is simply add a space to an encrypted text. Otherwise, we run the code as intended. Alphabet.indexOf allows us to look in the alphabet list to see what number value is represented by the single character we are iterating through. Then we add the shift value. After that, we need to write the mod 26, which is very important because if the new number was greater than the number of letters in the alphabet, this allows the number to start from the beginning letter of A. There will be more details on how the mod function works in the future video. Now all we have to do is find what letter this new number is correlated to, and add it to our encrypted string. The final step is printing out a message with the new string. Now we get to test it. The message we're going to encrypt is "Hello World," and we're going to shift it up the alphabet by 5 characters. The new encrypted message is printed out for us, as you can see on the screen now. Thank you for watching, everyone. This is how you make a Caesar Cipher. In the next video, we're going to be learning how to decode a Caesar Cipher. Alright, see you there!